Hackers are closing their exploit windows faster than ever. AI is now both sword and shield, and even your Linux package manager isn't safe. Let's get into it.
CrowdStrike's 2026 Threat Hunting Report confirms a chilling reality. Attackers are now using AI to accelerate intrusions, while simultaneously targeting AI systems themselves. The exploitation window is shrinking fast, meaning defenders have less time than ever to respond before damage is done.
Arch Linux developers have temporarily suspended all AUR package submissions after malware was discovered being distributed through the community repository. This affects a massive base of power users who rely on AUR daily, and it's a stark reminder that open community repos are a high-value supply chain target. Unable disclosed that attackers managed to fully take over N-Central servers even after an initial fix was deployed, meaning the first patch simply wasn't enough. Managed service providers using N-Central should treat this as a critical incident and verify their environments immediately. A critical vulnerability in Ruby on Rails active storage component has been patched, targeting dangerous flaws in image processing pipelines. Any application handling user-uploaded images via Rails could have been exposed, making this a high-priority update for developers running affected versions. CSO Online argues that as AI layers complexity onto every system, the cybersecurity fundamentals, patching, access control, monitoring, become more critical, not less. Organizations chasing shiny AI security tools while neglecting basics are building castles on sand.
HelpNet Security highlights a dangerous blind spot. A single malware alert rarely reveals the full blast radius of an infection across an organization. Security teams that stop at the first alert without lateral investigation are likely missing compromised systems sitting quietly in the shadows.
CrowdStrike's threat hunting data shows that the window between initial exploitation and full compromise is collapsing as adversaries automate their attack chains. This means the old assumption that you have days to respond is dangerously outdated. Speed of detection is now everything. OpenAI is teasing Astra, its next flagship AI model, which reportedly solved 10 long-standing mathematical problems before its public debut. While impressive, increasingly capable AI models also expand the attack surface for adversarial misuse, a double-edged sword the security community is watching closely. Indian payments platform SABPAISA has partnered with AccuKnox to deploy zero-trust, AI-powered cloud security across its payments infrastructure. For a platform handling financial transactions, this kind of proactive security architecture is exactly the right move in today's threat landscape. Malwarebytes Labs' weekly security digest, covering July 27 through August 2, wraps up a week packed with significant threats across multiple sectors. If you missed anything this week, their roundup is your one-stop catch-up on what mattered most in the threat landscape. That's your daily cyber brief. Stay sharp, stay patched, and check MonMyIP to know exactly what your network is exposing. Subscribe so you never miss an episode.